In this video, you will get a visual of the problems 1 through 10 on pages 6 and 7 of your homework packet that you drew the electron dot structures for. So number 1 is CH4. Notice the carbon bonded to 4 hydrogens. Each stick is like an electron pair or 2 electrons. And it's a tetrahedral shape, and it spreads these bonds as far apart as possible in 3 dimensions, greater than 90-degree bond angles. We have CH2F2. It's really the same as the original structure, except we took off 2 hydrogens, replaced them with 2 fluorines. Notice you could draw an electron dot structure where it looks like the fluorines are opposite each other, but they really aren't. Everything's next to each other in this shape of a tetrahedron. Next is F2. So you have F, it would have unbonded electron pairs surrounding the F, each F, but then you have a bond in the middle, again, which would be a stick representing 2 electrons being shared. Let's see, NH3. This is nitrogen with 3 hydrogens attached. Notice there's a little space between here and the bottom. It's not a flat structure, but there is a little bit of lift in the structure toward the nitrogen here. There would be an electron pair on top here. This is ethane, which would be C2H6. Might be a little bit hard to see that second carbon, but surrounded with the 2 carbons surrounded by 6 hydrogens. This is C2H4, 2 carbons surrounded by 4 hydrogens, but to complete the octet for carbon, one of the, or both carbons are double bonded. Instead of 2 electrons being shared, 4 electrons are being shared. And here would be C2H2, which would be a triple bond, or a total of 6 electrons being shared. I think you can see the 3 different springs in this structure. This is CH3OH, which is also methanol, windshield wiper fluid. And we have the carbon connected to an oxygen here, carbon connected to 3 hydrogens, and the oxygen connected to hydrogen. This OH group is typical of alcohols. This would be O2, and that would be a double bond of the 2 oxygens. And this would be N2, which would be a triple bond of the 2 nitrogens. Hope that visual helps you see in 3D what you've been working on with flat structures and electron dots for pages 6 and 7. Thanks for watching.